Hey there, Benji Buck with Buck Outdoor Stormwater Solutions, and today in the latest version of truck side chats, we're going to be leaning up against the old flatbed here, 6.0 Ford. We're going to talk to you today about the importance of adding energy and life to your yard. No, we're not going to take our Black Rifle coffee and put that in our yard. That's for me, but we are going to talk about caffeinating your yard with overseeding, adding energy and life to that yard with a healthy overseeding by adding a more dense vegetation on your lawn. You stabilize that against rain events, and you also create a root system that is going to absorb the moisture in the yard. This is, I believe, something that's often overlooked in stormwater management is overseeding around your manufacturing site or on your commercial property. We do this quite a bit on residential because we want our yard to look full and look healthy. But it's not just a looks thing. It's actually practical to have a high density of vegetation on your property. So we're Buck Outdoor Stormwater Solutions. Join us next time. If you haven't already done so, hit the subscribe button. Be part of our ongoing conversations here, leaning up against the truck and talking about stormwater tips and the latest news. Have a great day.